Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to invoice and send an email in NetSuite. As an example, I have a sales order with a status of pending billing. To generate an invoice from this sales order, simply click the Next Bill button. On the Invoice page, select the appropriate form you want to use from the Form drop-down. This determines the layout and fields that will appear on the invoice. Once the form is loaded, enter all the required details, such as the invoice date, terms, and any additional information needed for the transaction. Under the Items tab, review the listed items and ensure that all quantities, rates, and amounts are accurate. Go to the Communication tab, and in the Message field, enter any custom message you'd like to include with the invoice for the customer. This will appear in the email or printed invoice, depending on how it's sent. To send the invoice via email, simply check the To Be Emailed box and enter the recipient's email address in the Email field. NetSuite will send the invoice to this address once the record is saved. Once all details are entered and reviewed, click the Save button to finalize and generate the invoice. If the To Be Emailed option is selected, the invoice will be emailed automatically to the specified recipient. You can also click Email under the Actions menu to manually resend the invoice email or update the recipient and message before sending again. Let's now check the inbox to confirm if the invoice email was successfully sent. Be sure to also check your spam or junk folder just in case it was filtered there. As you can see, I received 2 emails. The first was sent when I initially saved the invoice, and the second was triggered when I clicked the email option under the Actions menu to resend it. And that's a wrap for this video. Hope you found it helpful. Thanks so much for watching.